So, making the actual research of the best email marketing platforms nowadays, if you choose your email marketing platform based solely on who has the cheapest starting price of the previous templates, you are leaving a massive amount of revenue into the table. So, email marketing software has evolved. The vast tools don't just blast out massively generic blast on Friday morning. They've used predictive the machine learning to track the exact subscriber behavior score you least and sends hyper personalized sequence automatically. So I'm going to be breaking down the top 5 marketing platforms, and I'm going to be starting with the platform number 1. So I have made an actual quick research directly inside here that I can be telling you that I have found the 5 the most common and easiest to get started. One, and I think one of my favorites, which is not that speaking about the actual price because it's really affordable, is the Mailer Lite. So kicking things off with the best overall tool for the beginners, startup and solopreneurs, the Mailer Lite. If you want zero friction and an interface that doesn't require a coding degree, this is your gold standard. So Mailer Lite stands out because they refuse to overcomplicate the actual things. It includes a built-in AI subject line suggestions, simply just automated autoresponders, and an exceptionally intuitive design engine. So the new update is that it brought native MCP server integrations. What exactly is this? Well, basically this means that you can plug in all the data into the Mailer Lite and into the tools, like for example if you use ChatGPT or even Cloud, you can just import that and the integration actually works. It does a really great work. And actionable audience insight without exporting clunky CSV files, and as I just told you, it is really affordable because I think it's just getting started from, I believe, $10 now. Of course you have a free element, but it's only for 500 subscribers, and you can get, for example, one user seat. But here we have, for example, the unlimited monthly emails, which I think is going to be really awesome for the growing business. So the second one is called the Klaviyo. Klaviyo, for example, is a really great affordable AI email marketing. This is a little bit more expensive than the other one, but actually it's going to be really worth it to try out Klaviyo, and I'm going to be actually telling you why. The thing is that if you're running an e-commerce brand in Shopify, in WooCommerce, or even BigCommerce, you can skip the rest of the actual list because Klaviyo remains the undisputed king of the digital retail data. This has an actual superpower, which is deep, instantaneous product catalog integration, and it tracks exactly what items are just user browsed. So what they added to the cart and they historically lifetime value. So this gives you like a real time saver. Its machine learning engine predicts precisely when a customer is about to buy again or when they are at risk of churning, allowing you to trigger retention discount at the exact millisecond they are needed. It's pricier, but the direct revenue attributions tools make the ROI crystal clear. Now, the third platform that I can give you to get started is the actual ActiveCampaign, which is best for advanced workflows. So, ActiveCampaign, basically, if you are running an online store, but you need absolute total control over the multi-system visual sales funnel, your choice is ActiveCampaign, because this is a powerhouse platform to B2B SaaS companies and service providers. Basically, ActiveCampaign features the absolute best visual workflow builder into the entire ecosystem. With over 135 customer triggers, you can split test entirely automation pathways, track inside customer behavior, and automatically score leads based into the interaction. It is new active intelligence model lately understands you writing tone and ghost, building complex conditional sequence and emails for you in seconds. So it bridges the gap between the marketing automation and a dedicated sales CRM perfectly, which I think it comes with an actual free trial if you want to use that like right away. Now there is a new element called Kit. I think it was formerly known as ConvertKit if you wanted to find that out. And Kit, of course nowadays it's called Kit. Basically here, this is for more content creators, bloggers, podcasters, independent newsletters, for example, writers, the choice is Kit because they newly rebranded version of the Computer Kit. It is designed from the ground up to turn your audience into a monetization vehicle. So Kit treats your list differently. Instead of relying heavily on visuals, it optimizes for crisp text posts, deliverability that lends straight into the primary inbox. So what makes Kit unique nowadays is that it is a massive creative network. When a user subscribes to another creator in your niche, that specific creator can automatically recommend your profile, allowing you to swap and scale your list completely organically. So combine that with a native premium subscription paywalls and its creator dream. So you don't need actually anything else if you're already an actual content creator. So well, basically that's how Kit actually works. Now there's Brevo. This is not like my favorite, but I think it's the best value all-in-one multi-channel suite. Why? Because if you have a massive audience pool but a tight marketing budget, you want to look at Brevo. So Brevo completely flips the standard email software pricing models on its head. So most email platforms punish your success by charging you more money the moment your subscriber count goes up. So Bravo lets you store unlimited content for free across all the tiers, pricing your account entirely on the raw volume of emails you're sending out each month. It's an incredible powerful all-in-one hub featuring a clean visual editor, transactional receipt mechanism, and integrated SMS and WhatsApp text pipeline make it highly predictable utility for growing local businesses. So you might want to take them if you wanted to try it, because the 5 of them are totally for free. So you can just give it an actual way to go for each one. You can let me know in the comments below which one suits for you the best. So don't forget guys to like, share, and subscribe to the channel guys. If you want to see more great tools like this, honestly I will stick around with Club.io, which I think is going to be really great. A little bit more expensive than the other ones, but you won't hesitate into using this more than once. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel guys, and hopefully we can all see you next time.